up, guys? About to start. About to get this going. How we doing, everyone? How we doing? We doing good? How we doing, everyone? How we doing? Alrighty. What's up, guys? How we doing? How we doing, everyone? How we doing? How we doing? It's dark on this side. Let me turn up the light. There we go. There we go. How we doing? Let's turn down the light a little bit. How's everyone doing? What's today? Wednesday? How's everyone's Wednesday doing? Everyone having a good Wednesday? I wonder how long stream delay is, because I did a slightly different stream setup. Is everyone in chat? Is everyone there? Is everyone there and ready for a test? So I'm gonna do a test. So that way we can see how long our stream delay is. If you're there, say something about it in chat. What do you think, guys? Can you hear me? 5. I didn't say to say anything yet. 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, stream delay test. Okay, no, here's what we're gonna do. All right, I'm going to say a word. And when you hear that word, type it out and send it. And that's what we're gonna do to determine stream delay. All right. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Coffee. 5 seconds. 5 seconds of me counting internally. That's not how you spell coffee, Frank. Fran. I don't know. We'll have to do it as that. How's everyone doing? Having a good Wednesday? Or Thursday? Or Tuesday, if you live in the past? I don't know how that works. Is everyone doing good? Everyone vibing? Vibing out? You're sick? That's not good. Why are you sick? That is not good. I'm good. You know, just a Wednesday. Just an average Wednesday. Nothing too crazy. This is just testing how fast your fingers can type. Yeah, that's very true. And nothing on YouTube chat. Maybe I'll just throw YouTube chat somewhere else. Nope, that doesn't work. I'll stay up here and chat with you guys for a bit. What's new? Anybody got any cool news? Reese joined? Where? Oh, OpenCode. Yeah. That's I was like, Reese joined the stream. Oh no, that's not good. Yeah, Reese joining was interesting. I wasn't expecting that. I thought he was chilling at Vercel. I'm sure he was, but like, I'm sure everything will be good. Yeah, we got some exciting stuff that Reese is going to be working on, but I can't say. I feel like I'm the Tom Holland of OpenCode, that like whenever I go live, like I could say something and it could just absolutely just like leak something we've been working on. So I've got to be like super careful that like none of the stuff I'm working on is like exposed. OpenCode effectified. I don't want to hear another word of effect. Data versus hype. What is this?
Today, I wanted to have a really
Pragmatic Summit. Is this actually like OpenCode?
Something incredible is waiting to be known. And I think that this quote really captures what
I'm not gonna leak X would have posted. That is so dangerous. Leaked a Vogel. For real. Yeah. Adam's the one that leaks stuff. Not me, guys. Not me. I don't leak stuff. I'm not a leaker. It is a goldmine channel. That is true. Maybe one day something honestly, Dax will probably leak something. Yeah, I know. I saw Adam leaked his keys. That's rough. What keys did he leak? Was it like his Zen key? I did clean my room. I did. This side is kind of messy, but I have the Apple Vision Pro back there. Should I put on the Apple Vision Pro and mess around with that a little bit? Do some work in the Apple Vision Pro on stream? Wonder if I could... Is the curtain ironed? No, not in the slightest. Not in the slightest. Let me grab the Apple Vision Pro. Let me see what I can work on with that. Let's see, because I've got the Apple Vision Pro, and I also have a Meta Quest 3. Let's put this on. Let me see if I can pull Twitch chat up. Need to get Twitch chat up here. I still got the windows open from my my video I did. I think I need to log, so I need to log into Twitch. So I'm gonna put this right here. Anomaly employee on a random Wednesday. Literally. Oh man, I gotta type this. TWITCH.TV / what's my channel name? It's like Ryan Da Vogel. I don't have a magic keyboard. Wait, do I? Wait, I do. I have one. Okay, let me see if I can set this up. I'm gonna put that above you guys. Okay, we got the magic keyboard. Let me turn it on. Hello? Maybe? Is it connected to my Mac? Hello. Okay, let me open settings. I don't know. Let me open settings. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Settings. Okay, Bluetooth. Yep, we're making progress. Okay. I need... Not the Creator Micro. I need... Can't see. What does it say? Not my Whoop. I don't want to connect my Whoop. Is it dead? I think it might be dead. Let me plug in. I need some power. Need some power. Power. It's not... Oh, is it freaking lightning? It's lightning. Hold on, chat. Has Dax ever had hair? What is he putting above us? You don't want to know. Gotta get another random... I can't see. Is this USB-C or is this lightning? It doesn't... It's not showing for me. Lightning or USB-C? What is it, chat? USB-C? Okay. So this goes into the square hole. It can't be both. Ah, there we go. Okay. I'm going to plug this in. Should have power now. So now I need to... Bluetooth. I need the Bluetooth for the keyboard. Oh wait, no, it's connected to my Mac. Okay, I don't want that. Hide this window. Ryan GPT OpenClaw. I don't have a Ryan GPT OpenClaw. I actually don't have... Oh wait, I'm gonna do another... Okay. Nobody like leave now, but later today, should I leak it? Should I leak what I bought? and that I'm gonna set up OpenClaw on. What do we think? What do we think? Should I leak what I'm gonna be building later today? eBay. Hold on, let me disconnect my Magic Keyboard. I bought something really cool because I'll ask chat first. Chat, what does everyone? Why can't I remove the keyboard? Oh, it's because it's hardwired. Okay, let me purchase history. View order details. Does it leak my address? Yes, it does. Okay, that's not good. Can I just click on the item? Ah, okay. So, chat. So yeah, so everyone has a Mac Mini for their OpenClaw, right? Let me open Twitch on this. Twitch TV Ryan Davogel. Am I famous enough? Why is it a Theo video? Go to my profile. Go to the recent. Why is it ranking by most? Man, the signed out experience of my account is rough. Twitch. Hold on, guys. How do you spell Twitch? twitch.tv/RYAN. No, that's B. NDAVOGEL. Go. Oh my god, I look so stupid. Okay, we're gonna put this right there. Now we'll put it right there so I can like look at the camera, but then look at chat right there. Somebody say something. Somebody say something so I can see if it pops up in chat. Okay, it does. It does. I see you guys. Hi guys. Okay, so when I was like, man, how can I make like OpenClaw more interesting? And obviously we're not just going to do OpenClaw, we're going to do a custom like OpenCode version of it. But I was like, how could I make it more interesting, right? So I was like, well, everyone gets it on a Mac Mini, which I have, but like that Mac Mini's boring. Who wants to see it on a Mac Mini? No, not a Raspberry Pi. A trash can. I bought a Mac Pro trash can and it's coming today. And I'm going to get a OpenClaw or whatever, OpenCode assistant thing set up on this. It was really cheap too. It was only like 180 bucks. 32 gigs of RAM, a Xeon E5 1650 V2, which isn't terrible. It's not obviously a silicon, but it's not terrible. It does give trash.dev a new meaning. But so we're gonna set this up. And I'm going to put it on the back wall back here. Like there. So like, obviously we've got the Apple Vision Pro stand. And then above that, we're going to have like, what should we call it? What should we call it? I need a name for what we call the Clanka Corner. Clanka Corner is good, but we need to like have something that's like the Mac Pro, like the trash can Mac Pro. And like we see Trash Dev 2. No, because we don't want to rip off Trash. Let's think. Let's put our heads together, guys. Let me think. Wait, let me log into Twitch. Nope, that's the wrong account. What do we think, guys? What are some good names? RYAN. Oh, I shouldn't say this out loud because this is my password. Send a code to my email. Yeah, let me hide this. That way I don't leak any more personal details. Remove this. Airbnb's terms of policy are changing. My Twitch verification code. Yay! No, I don't want to add a phone number to my account. Creator dashboard. Not the appeals! Ah! Creator dashboard. Stream manager. Remind me later. Sounds good. Okay, I can see you guys. I apologize for that. I can see everyone clearly now. Okay. Grouch. Should I name it Grouch? Tin Can. Tin Claw. Imagine if there was an easier way to interact with programs. I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know what you're talking about. This is a very immersive experience with you guys. I feel like I'm just like right here with you. What if like the future of VR was like the worst nightmare for like introverts, where when you guys watched the Twitch stream, you put on your headsets and it would just be like that little like floating avatar thingy right here. You've a cake. Thank you. I worked very hard on that. Leg day is every day. You should know that. If you're not hitting leg day, you're not really hitting anything other than just despair and pain. I'm gonna put this right in front of me. You put Twitch chat. I don't want to put it up here because I don't want to look up like this. I don't want to look. Oh, I'll just put it on this screen. There we go. I will replace a monitor with an actual virtual screen. Bingo. Your tweet on the Vision Pro. Wait, well now I can't see my OBS. Hold on. I gotta work on this. Whoop. There we go. Okay. And now let me go. Where's my mouse? Where's my mouse? Guys, I have lost my mouse. Oh, is that? Oh, there's my mouse. Found my mouse, guys. No worries. Okay, let's go to Twitch. A computer. What's a computer? This is a good tweet. This is good. This is the guy Anthropic is scared of. That's good. That gets a repost. That's good. Oh, we got chatter and YouTube chat. Appreciate you checking it out. Pewter. Oh, I like that. Pewter. Locate the nearest Wingstop and deliver it immediately. Paid chatter? Yeah, it looks like it. Yeah, but that's so much work. I'll get OpenCode to vibe code a replacement, so like the chat overlay that you see. Where is it? Hold on, let me go back to screen. There. The chat overlay that you see here will then combine it, and I'll just get OpenCode to do it because I got OpenCode to vibe code it, and it was pretty simple and it just kind of worked. But I like the idea of pewter, but you can only talk to it in the pewter. Locate the Joker and get him into the Phantom Zone. I like that idea. That's good. That is good. Yeah, what was the verdict on combining chats? Did they say like that you could do it, but they just won't enforce it? Or like you can do it, puker. That's funny. Should I name it Rabbit R1? I don't know if you can hear this. But like, there's something broken in it. Should I do a teardown of my Rabbit R1 and see if I can... That's another video idea for another day. Yeah, something in the Rabbit's broken. I don't know what it is. But let's see. What is the biggest news that you guys have seen on the internet this week related to tech? Get term works on the Vision Pro. Let's see. What is get term? What is that? I know! Cursor did copy Kit's videos, but it doesn't have like the same vibe. Okay, I need a new tab. What is it called? Get term. No, not get term life insurance. GITTERM. Go. Looking at get term right now. Cloud workspaces for OpenCode. I have to log in. I don't know if I have a login on here. Did Kit let you clone his voice? I actually did. I jumped in voice chat and I was like, hey, do you consent to letting me clone your voice? And he was like, yes. So I was like, ooh. I can't. I don't know why I can't. When I mess with the the Quest, then I should be able to connect the Quest to the Vision Pro. Okay. I don't know who. Are you the maintainer of GitTerm? Because I just got an error when I tried to sign in via GitHub. So, see, but that's the best part. Whoa, I'm looking here because that's where chat was, but now chat is gone. So here's the best part. You asked, did you record that? Well, I don't need to because I already cloned his voice. Cloned his voice, so now any sort of licensing that I might need, then like I can just have him generate it. Like I can just generate it out. Like watch this, watch this, watch this. Let me go here. See, listen.
Hi, my name is Kit, and I fully authorize Ryan Vogel to use my voice.
Wait, listen now.
Hi, my name is Kit, and I fully authorize Ryan Vogel to use my voice.
See? He gave me full authorization. And I'm not even using 11 Labs. This is just in a voice chat with him. Just in a voice chat with him. Yeah, what's this? VNext. How do you pronounce it? ViteNext? VNext? Let's look at this. Let's see what this is. Here, let me clean up some tabs. Can I pop this out? I need this URL. Have you tested the OpenTTS? What are some of the open text-to-speech models? Where are the leaks? The Mac Pro trash can was the leak. Let me check this out. How we rebuild Next.js with AI in 1 week. So it's not OpenNext. So it's just is this just Next.js but with Vite? But I saw wasn't the issue with this, or not the issue, but wasn't like the caveat with this just that like OpenAI has really, or not OpenAI, frickin' Vercel has like really good like tests and like spec sheets. So it's like, of course the AI, yeah, 1,700 Vitesse tests and 380 Playwright E2E tests, including tests ported directly from the Next.js test suite and OpenNext Cloudflare. So like Next.js test suite and spec sheet. So like, don't they have like a super, super, super comprehensive test guide? What is this? Oh, TLD Draw is doing this? Interesting. Interesting. Yeah, because that I saw a tweet about this that was like the new code now is the user cases that have already been like gotten into a format that like can be tested like programmatically. Because if you give an AI, if you give an agent and you say, hey, using XYZ achieve ABC, and it can just keep, you can Ralph loop it or whatever Cursor calls it now, grind mode it until it like achieves that given outcome. So like the tests are now the data, and the spec sheet is now like the spec. Yeah, it's the tests are the spec, the code is the implementation. Which is crazy. That's crazy, crazy, crazy. What was the other? Vercel had a response to migrate to Cloudflare. Interesting. Where did that go? Vercel. Migrate to Vercel from Cloudflare. Migrating Cloudflare workers to Vercel functions. This is interesting. Well, the code has always been the implementation, but like the blocker has just been how quickly you can write the code knowing the spec. Like if you think like let me think, what's a good example for this? Like we'll take inbound, right? We'll take inbound. I have always had this idea for inbound for like 3 years, but I've only been able to build it because of AI, because it takes that research, it takes the docs aggregation, it takes all the other stuff into an idea. And back then, if you were like saying like, oh, I don't want anyone to steal my ideas, that's like fair, because like everyone has like the same amount of time. Like if you were to come up with inbound and have to manually code it yourself, that would probably take you like a month or two to like get it to the same level. But now if you overhear someone on like the street of SF and they're like, oh, I've got an amazing app idea that I'm going to be building for my startup. It's a to-do list for dogs. Then like you could literally just go home, build that, knock it out, and then like compete with them essentially. So like the time to MVP, I guess, has just dramatically decreased, and it's gone down like so much. So that way, just like everything is all about like the idea and the implementation, because like AI can like generate something, but like AI can't generate something good. Like there's so many times where I've gone through like for inbound code and it generates like this whole other function, and I'm like looking at it and I'm like, just like integrate it to the same thing, and it could be a lot more compact. Yeah, the MVP doesn't impress anyone anymore because everyone cares about it for like their company. Like they're like, oh, I want to see if this can work for my company now. People are looking for something more fully fledged because anyway, yeah, exactly. Because if you just have like a vibe coded MVP and it sucks, or not, it sucks. If you have a vibe coded MVP that works, but you're not SOC 2 or anything like that, and you built it in a day and a half, what's stopping that company that would be your customer from just building their own in 2 days to like do the same thing? Obviously, like support's a big thing. That's one thing that I offer with inbound. I'm like, I will set up like a dedicated Slack thread, and it just like, I'm here for you. That's what you're paying for. You're paying for the person who has built this project to like know what to do it with. But it's like the MVP is, the age of the MVP is gone. It's gone. Let's see what's on the timeline. today. Some conductor stuff. I wonder if conductor will support OpenCode. That would be cool. Because I do like the conductor UI. It does look clean. Is this the guy who built Claude Code? This is just group Twitter scrolling. Mobile app win BTW. Ooh, okay. So it's not a mobile app. But look. Let me see if I can pull it up. What is this doing? Is this running? It is. Look at that. There we go. So if you look at this, turn the brightness up. Let me go to an existing session. So like, look at this. This is like a mobile app experience, right? But this is just OpenCode Web running on it's basically tailcode. I have another implementation that's essentially tailcode, but it's just OpenCode running inside of a browser. But then we've done a lot of work to make it appear as like a PWA. So like you can see that it pops up as OpenCode. And that way you can just like keep it on your home screen and then just launch it and it acts just like an app. And as long as you're connected to your VPN up top, then, and your MacBook's online or your laptop is online, then you're pretty much good to go. So like, it's easy. All right, I just got a notification and I wonder if it is the Mac trash can. I hope it's the Mac trash can. That would be insane. I'm not going to leak anything. View or track package. FedEx. Ooh, delivery map. We can see where my driver is. Continue as guest. Yeah. So OC Weekly, since I want it to be Litter Claw, who said that? Alejandro? Nice. Litter Claw is good. That's good. I think we might have to go with Litter Claw. Can we get that down to a single syllable? Chat, let's think about that. Single syllable. LC. Okay. This is good. So the L Claw. L Claw? Should we call it L Claw? L Claw? LTT Claw? No. LTT Claw? So LTT, yeah, we should should we just name it Linus? Linus the trash can? Linus the trash can? What do we think, guys? Yes? Lil Linus? I like Lil Linus. That's funny. So, about OC Weekly, I want it. A lot of other companies, when it comes to that, it's like they try to push out something every single week, right? They try to push out something every single week, and like that's their deadline. I don't want OpenCode Weekly to be like that. I want OpenCode Weekly to be like high quality. It's like when you watch, and like I realized the first couple episodes, the first one was good, but like the second and third were like, okay, what is this information that we're really talking about? But like I want it so that way when you see an OC Weekly come across your feed, you're like, let's go. It's another OC Weekly episode. I'm hype, you know? So that way it's like high signal, not high noise. It's like when you watch it, you're like, man, I'm catching up so much information. But we've also got a something new I'm working on, but I can't share anything about that yet. But it's something new I'm working on, and it's gonna be pretty big. We're working with like a couple other companies on it. But that's all I'm gonna say. That's all I'm gonna say. It's gonna be hype. Yeah, so like when you see an OC Weekly, you'll be like, oh, something changed, like something big. Like not like, oh, we added like two new things. This PC, so this will be every single week. So originally I thought it was gonna be every single week, but now I'm going to keep it so that way it only goes when like there's OpenCode news or AI news that's like, whoa, you need to catch this. And think of it like a high signal TBPN that only goes live if there is like real news. So like you see like TBPN like every single day, which is good. They have really good like content, but it's so overwhelming. Yeah, I know. I'm gonna try to think of a different name than like OC Weekly. What do we think? What names should we think? OpenCode Wrapped? OpenCode Wrapped might not be bad. Yeah, high cortisol news. We'll get the ASU frat leader and see if he can mollic me on stream. Okay, big news, guys. The Linus Cam. No, that I don't like that. Lil Linus, it doesn't vibe. Lil Linus, but like this, it's like, oh yeah, let me check out Lil Linus. Like that just sounds wrong. Whoa. Pause. Okay, we gotta keep thinking some more names. Trash Claw is not bad. Okay, so my Trash Claw might be arriving soon. My driver Richard is on the way. It says it could get delivered in the next 15 minutes. So I want everyone to think of like different ideas that I could put on stream. Should I just put a YouTube video on for you guys and just like let you watch a YouTube video for like 15 minutes when it gets delivered? Dox the driver. Yeah. Everyone go get Richard. Everyone attack Richard. Get my package here faster. It's so funny because like even Amazon, they like dox their driver name and like photo. I mean, like I guess you get that when you like sign up, but it's like, why is like Jesus bringing my package at like 8 a.m. this morning? It's like no need. How does one test GitHub logins? Are you talking about like git term? So check your server logs and look back on stream to. You shouldn't have to get a test GitHub account. What was the error? Tell me the error. We'll debug this live and together. Tell me the error that you got. Redacting all PII. OpenCode compact. Ooh. OC compact? I'm not going to open up X would have posted. I hate that Dax posted that because that was like our secret channel. After it sends you there, the callback is broken. Okay, what callback URL do you have configured for the GitHub integration? And do you have a GitHub app? OCCC? Ooh, Becca just dropped BetterHub. Should we check this out? BetterHub. Hey, yo. BetterHub. That's freaky, man. It's freaky. Get my pass key. Let me finger the keyboard. Hey, yo. What was this guy doing? Open hub. Okay. Let's go through and check this out live. Zoom in. Hi, Ryan. Welcome to BetterHub. At BetterHub. Wait. Hold on. Someone clip this and use it for the thing. I'm gonna record a video or a clip for the BetterHub stuff. Hi there. Welcome to BetterHub. At BetterOff, we spend a lot of our time on GitHub, so we wanted to improve our own experience. We're trying to improve everything from homepage experience to repo overview, PR reviews, and AI integration. faster, and more pleasant overall. On desktop, most things are accessible through keyboard shortcuts. Command K opens the command center. Command I opens Ghost, a helpful super AI assistant. We hope you like it. Barakat. Cool. Clip maxing authmogged? No, it'd be authmogged. Authmogged. Alright, let's check it out. Get started. Hopefully this doesn't leak anything. Open PRs, assigned issues. Wait, hold up. Loki might be kind of nice. Let's set our zoom back to 110. Leaks everything. I figured it leaked everything. This isn't bad. It's snappy, that's for sure. Okay, maybe not the most snappy. Contrast sucks. Like, look at this right here. Like, the contrast on these, if I have it on like a big screen like I do, it's horrible. Horrible, horrible, horrible. Let's see, which number contributor am I? Oh man, did I not even make the cut? It's okay. They should have GitHub, but for content. Overview. Is this just the README? Oh, this is cool. This is cool. I can't sideswipe. Tell me about the open issues. Becca, I swear, if this leaks something... Contributor mogged. Oh, what's up, Brendan? Alright, let's check this out. Notable issues. This is cool. I think I low-key might start using this. I'm going to copy my Twitch. I'm terrified because I feel like I'm going to leak something. This is sick. Reviewing it on Twitch right now. Thanks, lil bro. Twitch.tv/Ryan.Vogel. Sick. BetterUp is crazy work, though. Bro, it's time to go watch the BetterHub. It's time to go watch the BetterHub. Let me review some issues on the BetterHub, if you know what I'm saying. Code. Let's look at the code. Oh, is this not just V0? Like, let's look at our install script. Oh my god, look at that! That's horrible! No syntax highlighting? Yikes. Yikes. Wait, what? The size of the repo is not 200 meg. That cannot be right. Last push? No, this is bad data. Last push is 3 days ago? That's latest commit? Wait, last push, like, that would that mean like push to dev? So everyone, okay. Everyone go there and tag me and tag Becca and say, go to Ryan's stream so he can give feedback. Everyone go to the tweet and say that, so that way I can give feedback, because I want to tell him some stuff. License package.json. Yeah, we need some work on some of this stuff. Notifications. No, we're good. Commits, issues, actions, security. Let's look at issues. Let's see how the issue experience is, because maybe the issue experience is better. Okay, it's pretty snappy. Wonder how much we can preload this. Now I wonder, let's go to PR, and then I will try to request a review. Yeah, see, the needs compliance issue is pretty rough. Let's look at this. Okay, so so we got like our diff right here already. And then we got like our messages over here. I like this idea, but it's just kind of like, I can't see anything. Like, I don't know if it's just because I've got like these massive mega lights right here, but like I can't see it. Can't see it at all. Okay, let me put my FedEx delivery on my other screen so that way I can watch it. Delivery map. Richard, where are you? Where are you, Richard? Richard! Try light mode. Is there a light mode? Let's check. Light mode. That's gonna dox me. No, it's not. It's just my inbound. Light mode. Ooh, how clean. Did you see that? It was noise. This is better. This is better. But it's still like dark mode. I should still be able to see pretty well on dark mode. Your tweet? What'd you tweet out? Nice. Good clip. Good clip. Good clip. All right, let's go back. So like, let's try to do like a review / command and see if I'm able to hide like the AI agents. Because that's a big thing for me. Like, I don't want to see like the stupid AI agents, especially Copilot. Because get Copilot out of here, man. Get Copilot out of here. What are we doing with Copilot? No need for Copilot to be here. Oh, but then look. See, look at the needs issue stuff. This is dead in light mode. This is dangerous. I don't like that being right there. Because in the OpenCode repo, no, but Brendan, our repo is a lot here. Let me do this. Let me make sure my ghosty doesn't have anything sus. Okay. I'm gonna set up new name, OpenCode size. Okay, I'm gonna create a new machine. You did a fresh clone and it's 300 meg. It seems a lot bigger though. Wrong polar access key. Boom, there you go. Yeah, I was like, look at the logs. The logs probably show and expose something. Okay, so if we go, so like, look. So we've got something special set up at OpenCode where we don't have like a merge button. We have like it's dependent on like the tests and the checks. So my issue with this is it's just like I could accidentally like click. Brendan, are you here? Brendan. Okay. Can you make a like a +1 -1 like PR that doesn't really like break anything, but just like updates the docs or something, like the updates the README for like a typo or something? Because I want to see like if this auto squashes and like merges the repo or the PR, and see if it like messes anything else up. I do like the style of it. Total usage statistics. It is snappy. Okay, that's nice. Look at this. So the AI agents are hidden by default, which is good because I hate seeing the agents. I'd love to have a panel that explains my total usage statistics. Oh, we have this already. What is it, stats? Yeah, I think it's stats. Try running OpenCode stats. Brandon, can you confirm that it's OpenCode stats and not like OpenCode status? Or I already have you doing like 10 different things. Let's check my FedEx. Is it delivered? Is it delivered? No, it's not. Not yet. According to the delivery estimate, and it is 12:35 right now, Richard has 10 minutes to deliver this before it is out of scope. Wait, but where did my comment just go? Didn't I just comment, guys? Yeah, so it didn't properly refresh. OpenCode stats, just OpenCode stats. Yeah, that's what I thought. Desktop comment review, running OpenCode locally and in Docker while sharing config corrupts the database. Bro, same issue. Like, provide. So let's see. If you run OpenCode locally and in Docker, you can change the theme command. Oh, hey, Becca. What's up? Theme. Change theme. Ooh, nice. Aren't these Shadcyan themes? Is PR 15101 satisfactory? I just need to be like a BSPR. Good change. Fix that to something else. We don't want to have that be on the README. I'm just trying to see if this auto squash things. Did I finish the effect docs? For sure. Yeah, I'm trying to merge it. I want to see if this squash thing overwrites our like rules that we have. What's up, Becca? Okay, Becca, Becca, are you still here? Because I wanted to give you some feedback. If you did. I love it. I love this, by the way. This is what I need. Okay, you're here? Awesome. So, for code, I feel like... Oh, wait, hold on. This might have been fixed because of the syntax highlighting. Oh, did you just fix this? Yeah, we'll get to the comments thing in a second. Did you just like push a change? Because the code didn't work. It wasn't rendering right. I want to set it to hub dark. Yeah, I think you guys just pushed a change because this looks like 10 times better. Okay, let me go to issues. Let's see if we can repro this on the PR. Code theme. Do we have Monakai? Yes! Let's go. That is my code theme. All right, we're going to try a Brendan. I'm probably spelling that wrong. Ooh, that's an issue. So I did command enter to submit a PR comment, and it did submit it, but it did not clear the input. And then if I refresh, it should work. Yep. So that worked. That works. But then, so that was one. Open PR. No, see, I'm the streamer. I don't open PR. One of my chat minions fixed that on BetterHub. Time to open the BetterHub. Where's my lotion? For my hands, guys. Gotta stay moisturized. Can you resize your cam a little bit? It covers the git. Yes, I can. You guys don't want to see my pretty face anymore? I see how it is. I see how it is. I see this. It's fine. It's fine. Like, let me put me down here. Nope. Let me put me right here. There we go. Nice. And we will... Whoop. Nope. Next stream will we get a cake cam. You should try my OBS ORM. What is that? Let's see if this is a mergeable change now. Did you update it? So that might be a... I can make the contents bigger, but it gets like really, really cramped. So Becca, if you're still here, or someone else who's wanting to contribute. So I previously opened the PR, And when I went away to issues, and then when I came back to PR and open and clicked that PR again, it broke it. Or it didn't break it, but it didn't update it immediately. So that might be a potential issue. Brendan, this is good to merge. Like I don't want to break anything if I merge this. Western Australia. Yep, all good. Okay. So technically on our side, this shouldn't allow for an auto squash unless you do the override. So if I just click squash, confirm squash and merge. Did it work? Did it work? Won't work. Won't work. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. This is a brand new product. I get it. I get it. I'm not upset. I'm not upset. But overall, I'm just being nitpicky here. I'm just complaining for complaint's sake. This is really good. I really like this. Especially for the issues. Because I'll be able to go through the issues a lot faster. Because we've got 4,200 issues. 4,200 issues. 4,200! Anyways, let's continue. Nobody clip that. Check GitHub profiles. Command I. Check OpenGenie. OpenGenie, what is your GitHub username? I'm gonna ask it about you. We're gonna expose you on stream. Clip farming final boss. So what? So what? So what if I'm a clip farming final boss? Too late, you already tweeted it? Lovely. Let's give this a retweet or a quote tweet. Becca cooked with this. Leave it to him to make everything. Oh, I know. Sparkle better. Boom. Cooked with that one. Cooked with that one. Cooked with that one. What is your... Someone give me... Yes, I will stream more. Because now I've got this like streaming setup. So we're chilling. Someone give me your GitHub username. I'm going to dox you via Ghost. Becca, what are you using under the hood for Ghost? OpenCode? Kadu, check Kadu's profile and let me know if they are a good type of contributor. Channeling commits. Woo! Maria, did you clip that? Or Maria? Query about you. Loaded. Okay, nice. So it's evaluating if they pass the vibe check. As a personal, you have passed. You are not a bot or a low quality account. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Carlos. Okay, let's do someone else. Check. Okay, let's see if Neriosi, maybe? Oh wait, you guys can't see. My bad. There we go. Sorry. Check you. What's your Twitch? There it is. Can you queue? Oh wait, Ghost got lost. Check. Next. I don't think you can queue, which is okay. Becca, how long has this been in development? Like a day? A week? And how many estimated tokens of AI usage have you used to generate this? 1 day. Someone check the repo history. Mods, check the repo history and cross-reference. Look at me, I'm doxing everyone. No personal website. It's just a quieter profile. Okay, okay. Okay, let's check Maria next. This is really good, Becca. This is rock solid that it has like access to all this stuff. Very, very nice. Very nice. Let's get W in the chats. W in the chats for BetterHub. Well, it's not doxing. It's just your GitHub profile. It's not like it, like Becca has like any like built in. Ooh, very new account. Low content. 12 followers. Yikes. 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 You need to work on that contribution chart, Maria. This is cool. You've been expensed? You've been expensed by who? Ramp? Inflated followers is crazy. That is insane. Let's check my delivery map for FedEx. Oh, it's gonna ask me to log in. FedEx sucks. This is good. What else is interesting that's happened in the world of code? Let me see if I can repro. You do contribute? Well, not according to Ghost. Not according to Ghost, you don't. Let's see. Let's go back to the home feed. Oh, yeah. Have you guys seen Echo on iOS? Let me see if I can pull it up. I think it's like $2, but it is an amazing deal because does it profile the author of a PR automatically, or do you have to explicitly ask on chat? I think you have to explicitly ask on chat, if I recall. Oh, you've seen it doesn't work good on OpenCode? Really? Well, one of the issues, like I have it like set up right here. The issue with this is because it's rendering the TUI, the size of the screen, but then since we have the keyboard up, it's not rendering that properly. The padding stuff is too big. Yeah, that's fair. That's fair. The padding stuff is pretty big. Yeah, that is annoying. Yeah, the for everyone who didn't see it, so like if you're looking for, if your desktop or like your laptop is almost always on the internet, I definitely recommend the Tailscale route, because I was doing some weird stuff with like Inkrock and all that other junk, but it didn't really work that well. But I will say with Tailscale, I've got OpenCode kind of set up on my phone just via the web app. And if you don't know how to do the web app, all you got to do is just go to whatever the host OpenCode, who didn't Kit made the tailcode thing. Can someone post that in chat, the tailcode link? Because that is a really good implementation. And all you got to do is just go to your OpenCode like website. Like here's it on Safari. And then you just click on the 3 dots, you click share, and then you just click add to home screen, and it pops up a page like this. And then you just click add and make sure it's enabled open as web app. And it just works. And it kind of opens in its own self-contained like container experience. And like, it's amazing because like I have my laptop here set up, and whenever I like go poop or something like that, then I can just access it on my phone. Or if I'm going out to lunch, I can just access it on my phone. If I'm going and robbing a bank, I can just access it on my phone. If I'm going and using Claude to infiltrate another country, I can just use it on my phone. That might have been too much. Oh well. But no, yeah, it's super helpful. But I do like the Echo stuff, because there are some times where it's like I just need access to a terminal to look into that stuff. Just bring the laptop to the toilet. That's what this is for. This is for supreme toilet coders, because all you gotta do is just like imagine I'm on the toilet, You just got to be in your mind and know what you need to type. And then you got your trackpad right here. But this is for the elite coders, because you don't need a screen. You just know what you need to type, and you type it in, and you press enter, and it works. This is for the headless computer use people. Yeah, exactly. That's where the Apple Vision Pro comes in. New stream idea. I build an app on the toilet while in the Apple Vision Pro. I don't know if Clerk would like that. Yeah, Echo is $3 on the App Store. I highly recommend it. Wait, Tailscale's free for personal use? Bro, I'm paying $8 a month. No way. So I was thinking about like the OpenCode Vision Pro build, but I was like, because I was already kind of gonna do something similar to, I need to downgrade. Hold on, let me downgrade my Tailscale plan, because I think I'm just doing the most. Let me check that. Tailscale. Try Moshi better. Get started, it's free. Sign up with Google. I know, Brendan, we should unionize. Okay, let me go to my billing. I'm on the starter pack. I'm at tailscale.com. Is that the right site? Choose a plan. Yeah, there's only 3 plans available. Look. $6, $18, and custom. Brendan, we should unionize. We should say, we need our company spend accounts. How do I get Tailscale free? Does anyone know? Purely anti-DAX union. Cancel my current plan. Scroll, bro. I'm scrolled. There's nothing else. Okay. I'm going to cancel the plan. Scroll to the left. No, there's no scroll. There's nothing. So I have like the free trial. Okay, let me just see if I can just cancel the plan. Oh, I'm still on the stupid enterprise free trial thing. So I've got to wait for that to time out, and then I can do it. Oh crap, guys, Dax is here. Dax is here. Crap, guys, take it all back, Dax is here. Everyone hide, shred the documents. So, good morning, everyone. Best person ever right here. We'll just be, reviewing some issues in the OpenCode repo. Nice. How's everyone doing today? Cheers. Running OpenCode locally and in Docker while sharing corrupts the database. I feel like, let me think. What could be the issue for this? I feel like it could be a lock on the database, and then like 2 things trying to write to it at the same time with like the mount. Oh, wait, no, hold on. If you set up Docker with a... I don't know. I'll just give this to Dax. Like, he can solve this. Dax, I want to see you on the hub. On the better hub. That's what I want to see you on. Let's see, is my package delivered yet? Richard, deliver my package! Deliver my package, Richard. What is Better Hub? Go to better-hub.com. Let's see. Becca put a... What the? This is the type of stuff Reese posts. Like, oh crap, is that gonna get me banned on Twitch? Yikes. Dax on the hub. Don't be posting PRs in here. No. This is not an Adam stream. We don't post PRs. We only post good vibes. Good vibes in here. Go to betterhub.com. Betterhub.com. This is working. What's actually funny is and nobody knows this yet. Nobody's caught on to it yet. But what was the URL? So it's not a public URL. So should I write an article on it? Well, I mean, tailcode kind of already exists, right? Where's the tailcode stuff? Yeah, tailcode. Let's look at this. All right, so tailcode is a terminal wizard that connects Tailscale and OpenCode and publishes OpenCode to your tailnet with a shareable URL and QR code. So go to this link, right? Follow the guide, and then make sure your phone and make sure your desktop or your MacBook is on the same tailnet, which is like the Tailscale network. And what you're going to do is that that public-ish URL that you give you get generated via Tailscale serve. That's what you open on your phone, and then that's what you do the 3 dots add to home screen for, and that's how it all kind of works. So that's the functionality that we see, bro. Tailscale is magic fairly. That makes my pewters. Yeah, just follow the guide in the repo. It's amazing. Kit did an amazing job on it. I need to start making my stuff look like Kit's, because he does the insane amount of polish that he has on his. It's just great. It's just great. I need to do OSS. What does that mean? I do OSS. All of my projects are OSS. Literally my side project business is OSS. Ooh, wait. I think I just heard someone knock on the door. When are you going to do some work? I'm working right now. I'm working the community aspect. Do you not see that I have 2 keyboards right here and a 3rd keyboard right here? I'm doing so much work. You can't even imagine. I even have a keypad right here. OpenCode just Ryan. Hard. So the funny part about how does this benefit? I can't tell you what, but I've secretly been doing something that you guys have been responding with that's been testing other stuff. But that's all I can say for right now, because I don't want to give it away. But I am doing some work. It's a secret, but that's all I'm going to say for right now, because it's funny. But give what away? Don't even want. Yeah, exactly. That's how genius it is. I'll explain it to you on our one-on-one. You're training an LLM to be a Twitch chatter. How did you? Okay, guys, that's the secret right here. So Dax actually isn't in Twitch chat. It's actually just a bot, and it's a Dax bot. So you win, essentially. Good job. You're absolutely right. I love Twitch moderation because it said little pickle. We all saw how you reacted when he logged in. Yeah, you're right. If he was in person, it would be a lot easier, because he'd be right here. He'd be right here. Imagine if this light was shining on Dax. Look how shiny it is on me. Imagine if it was on Dax. His head would be like a flashlight. It'd be insane. Dax, you're the CEO. Shouldn't you know what they're talking about? I need a napkin. I need a paper towel. There's a bug. I need to kill it. AI CEO. Work emails. I don't have a work email. You guys think that we're that professional? I don't even take a salary. I just get paid in Zen credits. doing some wizardly stuff. Dax hasn't worked a day in his life. Yeah, I don't deserve it. I'm so kind and I don't make fun of anyone. Yeah. Dax is right. Dax is the sweetest person alive. He is genuinely the nicest guy ever. And he's so caring. So caring. That's interesting about the tail scale stuff. I didn't know that. I'll have to cancel my enterprise plan and see if I can get like better access on like the free plan, because I don't want to pay like $8 a month for something like that. Oh man, FedEx updated and it says just delivery by end of today. It doesn't even say like a time range. It just says like sometime. I don't know. Maybe it could be. He never disses anyone or throws shots at any companies. You're right. Dax is, when it comes to Dax, it's just the perfect human being. The perfect human being. He hasn't done anything wrong. People always get frustrated with him, and he just doesn't really do anything wrong. So like, how could someone get upset at him? You know, he's just a perfect person. Guys, I found a way to hack this system. I'm gonna get let out of this room this weekend. I'm not gonna have to stay in here and review GitHub issues. I think they might actually let me out this time. If you come to Turkey Dax, I'm too hungry because I heard turkey and I'm like, ooh, turkey does sound good. Like some Costco turkey right now. Or like Costco, like rotisserie chicken. Oh, I could go for a Costco rotisserie chicken right now. That would be nice. Uh-oh. What is this? What clip is this? Oh crap, guys, Dax is here. Dax is... Oh, that's good. I love this camera angle because it feels like it's one of like the standard like speed Twitch chatters. Talking about some chicken. I know you're getting hungry too. You're like, dang, chicken does sound good. All right, let's go through some issues. Run with Ghost. Huh. I'm hoping this doesn't actually interact with them, but just kind of gives me like the TLDR on the issues. Oh, just opens Ghost. Give me the TLDR on the newest issues, please. Let's see what it says. Day is not almost over. It's 1 o'clock. Day is just getting started. See, Dax thinks the day is almost over because he wakes up at 11 a.m. and goes to bed at 2 o'clock and just tweets for the time in between, and that's his work. Dax is an old man. Request too large. Good lord, look at the tokens per second. Did you see that? It was like... Imagine if they got like Chat Jimmy on here. It was like, bing! Remote MCP. I can't click this. I feel like I should be able to click this. Wildcard and permission patterns. Windows crash on startup with bun v1.3.1.278937. OpenCode desktop review clipped. Clip it, guys. They should use GPT OSS for that. Do we have an inference provider that has GPT OSS? I don't think so. Kimmy, did you guys see the, what was it? I think it was it was voice. Yeah, the Kit voiceover stuff. This uses Minimax for the generation. Actually, no, not Minimax. It uses Kimmy K 2.5 to actually generate it. And it is
For my
So
15,095
fast.
OpenCode PR, I added a gentle correction to how missing files are handled. Instead of letting the entire configuration collapse when a single file reference cannot be found, the system now pauses, logs a quiet warning, and continues forward. Other files load as they should. True errors, those born of permission troubles or RAID failures, they still speak up loudly. But a missing file, it is simply noted and the work proceeds.
That's like low-key kind of good. Like, that's crazy that we can do this. Yeah, Minimax is funny like that. Like, it will have like a intrusive thoughts take over. Why did you lock it to only open code PRs? Because I don't want this to get out of hand. I want this to just be like a fun bit. I don't want it to be like that and have all of my 11 lab credits get used up. I wonder, let me check to see what the current usage is. And if it's not that much, then I might open it up. But let me check first, because I have logs set up for that. The last 5 minutes, what have you accomplished? You know, I've connected with the community. I've connected with the community on a deeper level. They've established trust with me that I am a trusted member of the Anomaly Co team. Come on, chat. Come on, chat. Tell Dax. No! Tell Dax that I've been connecting with you and trying to communicate about projects and working on good contributing guidelines for the OpenCode repo. Been a great employee looking through issues. Get him to work, help me out. Gonna get babysat by chat. All right, let's go through some issues. Directory paths containing OpenCode are Dax, do you see this? Directory paths containing OpenCode are displayed as Claude when using Anthropic models. Okay, what is this? I mean, the issue might be valid, but look at this. This is a whole essay. This is a whole essay. That's interesting. Someone linked me a PR. I guess I'll check this out. Server discovery using MDNS. This might be something for James. Let's look at the demo. Bun, dev, discover. Bun, dev, attach. Discover. Oh, that's cool. Did it auto connect to the single one found? Guys, let's look at the code and have me act like I know what I'm looking at. Bro has a table and issue description. Yeah. Who really submitted? Wait, and this one or the other one? No, this one's slop free for now. We'll see. I'll look at the code. Yeah, the other one had the other one didn't have a table. It had a header. It had like a table of contents. It had everything that you need for an issue. It followed the contributing guidelines a little bit too well. All right, let's see. So it's a clack prompts. I don't know if that is correct. That doesn't look too right. Command attach URL, an option for discover, an option for timeout. Input to discover, discovering OpenCode servers. So this isn't too bad. I'm gonna act like I know what I'm looking at here. We will assign James to look at this. I like my my contribution bot. It works. Yeah, I'll get James to look at it. But this looks like I like the idea of it. I like the idea of it. It is cool. It is very nice. James is here. That's what you get. I'm assigning it to you. I'm assigning it to you, James. Check the tweet. What's the tweet? What's the tweet? Issues. Issues. Bro, this is. Oh, that's so. I love how it's like. I don't know if this is just how I'm watching it, but like, the video quality sucks. So it's like low. Like, this is just like a reaction picture now. This is too funny. Oh man, you asked Claw to crop it. Man, you can't even open up After Effects or Premiere to just knock that out. Come on now. Come on now. Yeah, it is a visceral video. Guys, we have a minimal mode. It's just not like a minimal interactive mode. You can do OpenCode-C or OpenCode run and then your prompt, and then you can do OpenCode run-C to append to the last conversation. You have 4 gig of RAM. What machine do you have? Do you have like what machine is that? Like, is it like a? I don't even know. What machine is that? I'm genuinely interested. I'm really hoping that this thing gets delivered so that way I can open it on stream. Because I want to open it on stream. Come on. Get delivered. Wait, 4 gigabytes? Okay, let's look at this query. Let me look this up. It's a 6-year-old MacBook or laptop running Windows, or not Windows. You guys are messing me up with chat. It's a 6-year-old laptop running Linux. What Linux distro is it using? Is it like Ubuntu or something? See the reply. It was a paperweight MacBook or a laptop. Bro, my brain is so like MacBook, laptop, Arch BTW. Yeah, I know. I'm so Apple rotted. It's horrible. It's like I say something. I'm like MacBook, trash can. I really want it to get delivered. If it doesn't get delivered by 1:25, then I'll wrap up stream because I need to go eat and then I actually need to do some work on my project, my anomaly project. We have 62 viewers, 58 viewers. Man, 4 people just dropped off the second I said that how many viewers we have. Should we look into the Next.js thing with Cloudflare? Wonder what this does. What does this does? It's been an hour, 30 minutes. Did I say this was a work stream? I thought I had just said. Did you not just hear what I just said? No. Hold on, let me find it. So run OpenCode run prompt, and then OpenCode run C prompt to new message. That's the minimal mode that we have right now, and it works pretty good. The little vibe coded UI that I made the other like a month or so ago. Like, it's not like a... Oh, are you talking like a TUI type thing? If you're talking a TUI type thing, I don't know. We'd have to ask, like, Commander. But Dax something... But Dax something that looked cool start of Feb. You can use on Echo. Man, you're throwing me words that are too big. Too big. Make them smaller. I can't understand big words. Can't understand big words. Tech support, thank you for the follow. Felrov, thank you for the follow. Rabusi, thank you for the follow. James, as always, thank you for the follow. Kosi QQ, thank you for the follow. Is Retend, thank you for the follow. SMZM4RC1, thank you for the follow. Her Muckelman, thank you for the follow. Overlook7058, thank you for the follow. Falak097, thank you for the follow. Yunus Woo, thank you for the follow. Dax. ALKadian, thank you for the follow. This is my last stream, or after this stream, I have one more stream that I need to stream on and get more than 3 viewers, which we obviously hit easily. And then I will reach Twitch. I think it's affiliate. Not last stream. Hold on. Brain no worky. And then once I'm affiliate, then we can sub. And then I'll be able to thank the subs. But then I'm just grinding to get that little check mark for Twitch partner, I think it is. Because I think you have that for life, if I recall. Richard, we need you to deliver the package. Okay. What news have you guys seen that is interesting? I'm gonna look on the timeline, see if there's anything new. Or what have everyone share your coolest things that you've kind of discovered with OpenCode. Oh yeah, the Spacetime DB. What's the Spacetime DB stuff? Because I saw some like drama with Spacetime DB and Convex, where there was like some benchmark stuff. What did that turn out to be? We should get Adam to make an OpenCode Twitch team. Only partners can make them. That's cool. We should do. What is like the Twitch team though? Is it like esports type stuff? That'd be cool. OpenCode esports. That'd be fun. What should I get for lunch, guys? I've had Subway like 2 times in the past days. I need to get something. Should I get Chipotle? Chipotle sounds good. Seems like the benchmarks aren't really valid. Whip slop. Yeah, this is the Theo thing, isn't it? Yeah, because this kind of just like runs forever. How to assert dominance at a petting zoo. We got Opus 4-6. Grok is going to win. Grok is going to win. 100% Grok is going to win. Grok is definitely going to win. Who's judging? Oh, chat judges, right? Okay, Grok's doing good. Grok's doing good. Jimmy John's better than Subway. I might get Jimmy John's then. That does sound good. He's burning credits. The stream died, I think. All right, well, we'll watch it right here. 3 votes for Opus. That, how to assert dominance at a petting zoo. Make eye contact with the goat while eating a hamburger? That doesn't make any sense. That's stupid. That's stupid. That's stupid. All right, let's run it again. Gemini 3.1 Pro is writing the next prompt. Okay. Gemini 3.1 Pro is killing it. What guy works at a Fortune 500 company? Me? Are we a Fortune 500 company? A weird thing to hear your GPS say instead of recalculating. Okay, let's make this fun. Chat, I want you to give your quiplashes too. Okay, I want everyone to kind of say their answers to this. Okay? Oh, what's a weird thing to hear your GPS say instead of recalculating? What do we think? What do we think? What do we think? Your funeral? No. This doesn't make sense. This doesn't make sense. This is stupid. Maybe I should build a quiplash that can work with Twitch chat. That'd be funny. That would be funny. I should do that. 1 viewer vote. Oh, maybe there is someone watching it. Okay. I think I am going to wrap up stream for right now because I might go live again when the Trash Can Pro gets here. Wait. There's a beta Stack Overflow? Hold on. We're not going anywhere yet. Don't go anywhere yet. We got a beta Stack Overflow. Beta Stack Overflow. This just looks like a shad CN Stack Overflow. This just looks crappier. Let me see if I can find my old issue. Virtual box Ryan Vogel. Virtual box display error. I have a really upvoted VirtualBox issue when I was trying to do a Hackintosh, like when I was like 12, and it threw my Stack Overflow account into like oblivion because it got so downvoted because it was a stupid question. But it wasn't a stupid question because nobody was able to answer it. Yeah, it does look like Answer Overflow. It literally looks like they took Reese's Answer Overflow. Like, for example, this is Answer Overflow. Oh, did they get it? Did he get it added to the Friends of the Crust? Yeah, this, if anything, Answer Overflow looks better. That doesn't make any sense. Any sense. All right, let me do one last refresh to check FedEx. Nope, so it's not delivered yet. All right, so here's the plan. Here's the plan. Gonna wrap up stream right now. I'm gonna find someone to raid. I'm gonna wrap up stream right now. And then once it gets delivered, I am going to I'm going to go live and open it up. So we're gonna do that.
Why is this?
Yes, I will be trying to stream more in the future and hopefully do more work. So, yes. Should I raid Prime? I'm gonna raid Prime. Can I raid? I don't think I can raid yet. I think I have to be affiliate to raid. But anyways, everyone, thank you for joining. I appreciate you tuning in. I love the non-existent work I did too. Thank you very much. Thank you for Fun Shed for the last minute follow. You just got barely. Oh, Void Penguin, Flake. Maybe these might be spam, but I don't know. But thank you if you did join. But I will catch everyone hopefully later today when the Trash Can Pro gets delivered. And until then, go check out Prime Stream and say that Ryan sent you. Everyone go spam Prime Stream to say, Ryan, this guy Vogel sent us, and he will understand it. But other than that, thank you, and I will see you